What if I told you Google is quietly allowing people to use some of its most powerful AI tools right now without adding a credit card? I'm talking about tools like VEO3, Nano Banana, and Gemini Flash. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact official method to access them through Google's own platform. Most people have no idea this even exists. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you what these tools can actually do once you're inside. First, open Google and search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. Click the first result and sign in with your Google account. When prompted, enter your date of birth, confirm that you're over 18, accept the terms, and continue. You can go through the quick walkthrough or skip it, it won't affect anything. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and click Explore. In the search box, type Generative AI. From the results, select the lab called Generative AI with Vertex AI, Prompt Design. This is important because this lab gives you access to Google's AI environment inside a learning workspace. Click Start Lab. After the lab starts, you'll see an option to open the Google Cloud Console. Right-click it and open it in a new tab or an incognito window. Select your country, click Agree and Continue, and wait for the console to load. Now, on the left sidebar, scroll down and click Vertex AI. As soon as you select it, an extra menu appears. Click Vertex AI Studio, and just like that, you're inside Google's AI workspace. Notice something important here. There's no credit card added, and the tools are already active. That's because this is running inside Google's official learning environment. Inside Vertex AI Studio, you'll see access to multiple AI models. Click on VEO3 or VEO3 Fast, depending on what's available in your session. Here, you can choose different visual styles, adjust the aspect ratio, set the video length, enable audio generation, and control the overall quality of the output. You also find tools like Nano Banana and Gemini Flash, each with their own features for image generation, fast responses, and creative content. Now let's test a simple prompt. Type in your prompt, adjust the settings if needed, and generate. Within moments, you'll see the result. High-quality output powered directly by Google's AI models. You can repeat this process, test different prompts, switch styles, and experiment with multiple ideas while the lab session is active. When you switch over to Gemini Flash, you'll notice how fast it responds, making it perfect for quick creative tasks and prompt testing. Using this setup, you can create AI images, generate video concepts, test prompts, experiment with visuals for social media, and practice before ever paying for a subscription. You can also explore features like text-to-speech and even music generation, depending on what's available in your session. Now, just to be clear, this access comes from Google's official learning labs. That means there's no upfront payment required and no credit card needed to start. Usage is tied to lab sessions, which is exactly why this method works. If you want to learn how to write better prompts, discover more hidden AI tools, and find legit ways to test premium AI without wasting money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with anyone who's interested in AI tools and content creation. Thanks for watching.